In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to replace our font what we have used in our video editing project using Adobe Premiere Pro. Now I choose this title. In this title you can able to see I was used Arial, and here also I was used those same thing. I was used Arial, and I come to this place, and here you can see we have the Arial only. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose the title, and here I'm going to choose some different font. You can see we have the different font now, and here I'm going to choose some different font, and for this text content I'm going to have Times New Roman. Yes, I got it. And here I have that same, but here I'm going to choose some different font. Yeah, so you can see we have all those font in a different way. Now if I want to replace any font what I have used in my this Premiere sequence, I can come to this place which is graphics. So in graphics you can able to see I have the option which is replace fonts in projects. I choose this option, replace fonts in projects. When I choose that, you can able to see we have the different font styles what we have used in this sequence. I'm going to choose this option which is Arial Bold. So it shows you how many times we have used that. So I was used only once, so it shows me 1. And this Arial Regular was used 3 times, and Bahamas 93, all those fonts shows you how many times it was used and what is the particular font. Now I want to choose the particular font and I want to replace that. So I choose that particular font and I come to this bottom area. Here we have the replace font option. Now I choose this, and here I'm going to choose which font I want. I'm going to choose something like this Berlin Science FB. We do have that font there. If you want you can choose, otherwise you can choose something different. So here I'm going to choose this Mangi inline, and you can see I got that here. If you want to keep that, yes you can keep, and if you want to continue with replacing the fonts, you can able to choose what are the fonts you need. I was choosing different fonts, and if I was happy with my changes, I can choose OK. And if I want to clear all those things, I'm going to do the same things again. I can press this button which is clear. But now I don't want to clear, I just want to replace these buttons, these fonts. You don't need to replace all those fonts what we have used. You are going to select only those fonts what you have to replace with this project. So not only with this sequence, we are going to replace this in the entire project. Now I was selected and I'm going to choose OK. So when I choose OK, you can able to see I got all those changes. Here also you can able to see that I got that change. So with the help of this option, this particular font replacement, I can able to select which kind of content I want. Here also I'm going to choose this Arial. I'm going to choose some different font style, like I'm going to choose this brush script, and I'm going to choose OK. Now you can see I got the brush script appearance, and here also I have the Times New Roman. I do have the Times New Roman on that font replacement, and here I'm going to use the Times New Roman and I'm going to choose which font should be replaced. So I choose this one and I choose replaced. So you can able to replace all those font styles using this option which is replace fonts in projects. So we are replacing the fonts what we have used in the entire project, not only in this sequence. We are going to change all those things in the complete project what we have using currently in Adobe Premiere Pro.